Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to reconcile your accounts in Wave. Reconciling ensures your Wave records match your real-life bank statements. Let me show you how to do it. First step, go to the reconciliation tool. Navigate to Accounting, and then under Accounting, you're going to see Reconciliation. You can choose the bank you want to reconcile. Step 2, select a statement period. Pick a specific month and enter the ending balance from your actual bank statement. Step 3. Review transactions. Wave will show all transactions recorded in that period for the account. Check off items that appear on your real bank statement, and you can uncheck items. Unchecked items might be duplicates or records. Step 4. Match the balances. Once all correct transactions are checked, Wave will tell you if your balance matches. If not, double check for missing or incorrect entries. Step 5. Finalize the reconciliation. When balance align, just click Reconcile and your account is now confirmed for that period. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.